Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button, and that way you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the font size in Microsoft Excel. So first, you need to open your Microsoft Excel document. Now let's try to use this one right here. So, for you guys to have a better reference, let me enter here a sample word and that way you can check it. So how do we change the size of this font right here? So you should be under the home tab, just click that one and here you'll see several options under home tab. Now you should be under font and beside the font style there is an option for you to change the font size. Now all you have to do is click the drop box so that you can select a specific size that you prefer. Once you hover your cursor there as well, it will show how it will look like on your document. Apart from that, let's try to click the 26. You can also change it using these options right here. Once you click this one, the capital A with a bigger size, it is for increased font size. Once you click that one, it will automatically change or it will be bigger. But if you click the second option right here, which is decrease font size, the font size will be way more smaller once you click that one, as you can check it here. So there, that's how you change the font size in Microsoft Excel. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.